residence area. So this is where people actually live in East. And it's kind of shaped like an apartment because it is an apartment. So once you walk in, you got this closet that's locked. And then you have a bathroom to your right here. Toilet, glass for water, and then some lotion and soap. But let's turn back around and see this beautiful kitchen. We have a wine fridge down here that lights up. We got this fridge here, and guess what? It's stacked with goodies, from waters to juices to sodas to alcohol, the finest you can find in the world, to the little ones and coconut water, Red Bull, and some juice. We have a Lavazza espresso and coffee maker right here. Very good coffee. Up in here we have cups and dishes and glasses. And then this right here is a dishwasher. We have the garbage underneath and a full stove right here. Oven, a stove and oven. And then we got some snacks right here with some wine nuts, Pringles, and some candy. These are empty, and these are pretty empty too. Everything here just to store stuff. We've got this nice, comfy, fluffy couch, which does not pull out into a bed. So I don't know if you could sleep that way, but it doesn't pull out into the bed. Television, some bar stools to sit in here, a nice seat, and then a view of Brickell, Miami. It's nighttime right now. And then behind the couch, we got a dining room area over here. We have a desk office area right here. Cool mirror and some books. Out here, we have the nightlife. This is South Miami Avenue. And we got a bus down there that's also a club. Burger King and some pizza. And surrounding buildings. But let's get back inside. Very fun nightlife. And then let's get to some of the good stuff. Once you walk into this bedroom, it's a separate area, so you can have that closed. So you have some privacy from this area. You come into here, we have our huge bathroom with a bathtub and a separate area for your toilet and for your shower, waterfall shower. Extra towels, blow dryer. To the left of us, we have a full walk-in closet with a full-length mirror. We got some drawers here to put things, a safe, some storage options, laundry bag. They do laundry here. Oh, we have a umbrella because it rains a lot in Miami. And anything up there? That looks like another umbrella. And an iron and some hangers. And then we come into here to the bedroom. We got us a nice comfy seat. A big, huge king bed. Oh, that's pretty firm. Pillows are soft. Right by the bed we have the on and off switches for lights. We could do it kitchen, on and off kitchen. As you can see, turn that off. I'll turn it back on. And there's night mode. Let's see night mode. I guess that's night mode. We got our phone here. And on this side, we have an iPad. We also got some plugs and USBs here. We got an iPad where you can get some guest services and control a bunch of things. Weather, volume for maybe the TV. I'm really not gonna mess with that. TV, some scan codes for food, mini bar. We got breakfast information, all the restaurants here, and if you want to watch TV. And that's about it for this huge room here at the East Hotel in Miami Brickell. short video. Just want to give you a quick room tour, and I'll probably post another video just of a vlog during my time in Miami. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you come here, I really think this room is worth staying in. It's a really big room. I think you could have someone sleep here, maybe 2 to 3 people in the bed if you have a family, and have a really good time. Peace.